How to log in or sign in to your Amazon credit card account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of One Two Step. If you're also trying to log in to your Amazon credit card account, in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can. Now Amazon itself does not have its own credit card. It has partnered with Synchrony Bank. So it basically is also the credit card of Synchrony Bank. So to log in to your account, you can just open up your web browser and search for Amazon credit card login. Once you do, you can see the first website, which is called Amazon Synchrony. Just click on this link. And here you can see this login box. Now to log into your account, you can just fill in your details. So first of all, type in your user ID that you created while signing up. Type in your user ID and in the second box, type in your password. If you want to reveal this password, you can click on the show button and this password will be revealed. But however, if you don't remember either your user ID or your password, you can click on these links and follow the steps to recover either your user ID and your password. And if you want this device to remember you or your username the next time you log in, you can check this box. If not, uncheck it and then click on secure login. If the details entered are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your Amazon credit card account or the Synchrony Bank. So that was the exact process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna be soon back with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.